I'm going to show y'all how to lose some sales. So, true story. Happened to me today. I was interested in this Water Guru thing. My buddy told me about it. And so I'm on their site, and they do a good job, I thought, of representing the product, what it does, the value proposition. And so you're scrolling throughout the site, and you're like, my goodness, what an amazing product. You know, don't mind if I do. So I click on this button, buy cents. We won't talk about brand continuity, but just buy cents. I'm like, I'm going to buy it. Oh, where do I buy it? Where on the page that I've been taken to after selecting the word buy cents do I give you my money? I don't. I don't do that anywhere on this page. There's a bunch of other calls to action for me to go get distracted, which, incidentally, is exactly what happened. I was going to buy this damn thing. A friend told me about it. I was already kind of sold. I hop on the website. I click on buy, and it's more or less an impulse buy to me. They send me to the sales page, and then on the sales page, I got talked out of it. Because they started... What happened is the amount of detail brought me to a level of granularity to where I thought, you know what, I wonder... I don't really know how to take care of a pool. I have a pool guy. Where's the overlap? And I ended up not making the purchase. Now, that's not to say that you want to put yourself in a position where people are buying things that they don't need. That's not what I'm saying. What I am saying, though, is when somebody's made the decision to buy, when somebody's actually said, yes, I'll take it, stop selling. Stop it. It's the first thing they teach amateur salespeople. Like, don't go beyond the sale. Don't go beyond the sale. And what they've done here is a catastrophic freaking error. I'm ready. You said, now there's learn more. If I wanted to learn more, oh, it's the wrong one. Here we go. Because that's a different product, by the way. If I wanted to learn more, I'd click learn more. Oh, that's so funny. Learn more and buy now go to the same damn page. Buy now should have gone to this page. And incidentally, there's a massive difference semantically between buy now and shop now. Buy now means buy this thing right here. Shop now means check out my catalog, which I don't want to do. I don't want to do that. I just wanted to buy the thing that you showed me that I could buy. And I'm so mad now that you wouldn't let me buy it. And then I'm going to, scroll through the page, and then you're going to talk me out of it. So here's the point. Go through your site, your conversion process, and what you're going to do incorrectly, by the way, is you're going to start at the homepage, which is fine. It's what we all do. And I've been doing this for years. You're not necessarily always going to start at the homepage. Try to start where you think your customer will start. And so if you have, this is especially true for you SEOs out there. What's the landing page, not the squeeze page? Where's the conduit? Where's the pipe through which the customer enters? Because a lot of people come in through the side door. Start there, and then assume the role of customer and walk through the sales process and sales narrative. And every, whatever it is, point in the journey, give yourself a nice little catalyst. Oh, what if I wanted to buy here? What if I wanted to buy here? What if I wanted to buy here? It's way easier if you're in my business because I sell one thing. So you're always going to be able to get there. But if you're not in my business, then you need to give them the whole journey, which ends here, but you also need to give them, it's like chutes and ladders. You have the journey, and the journey is important. I'm not saying it's not. But at any one of these points, they need to be able to, right? And when they decide, yes, I would like to, don't, so, hold on. Did you know about the RPMs? Are you aware of our new... don't stop that. Just get them to buy first, and then do all the other, salesmanship. They lost $325 today, and they got bashed online. Although they got some free marketing, who knows? Maybe somebody buys the thing. It's a compelling offer. It's a compelling value proposition. The other thing that I don't know about, and I'm still noodling on, that I'd love y'all's opinion on, is this. 4 out of 5 to me is not good. 4.3 and higher, I'd be really proud about. But you're a B student. I wouldn't market that necessarily. I'd go find some other magazine where I got slightly higher reviews. So that was mild brand criticism number 1, and then mild brand criticism number 2 is when you look at their negative reviews, they're on a bunch of stuff that's fixable or has been fixed. So first of all, that looks way better. Look at the difference. That's basically rounding up. That's basically 5 stars, right? But when people had issues with this product, it had to do with stuff like, oh, I couldn't reach the Wi-Fi. or whatever. Stuff that, I mean, gosh, I'd fix that and then reach back out and say, hey, if you wouldn't mind. So reputation management, go and protect your brand. Anyway, that was a little off topic, but the main topic is look for friction. Friction in a sales process is deadly. Friction in a sales process at scale, it's over. It's over. You know, I mean, if you're not getting a ton of traffic and you have a little bit of friction, it's no big deal, because you're getting 100 people a month, and I don't know what, 5% are converting, so you're getting 5 customers, and if you had a slightly better conversion ratio, it'd be 6. Well, that's, you're not really going to be able to tell the difference. But what happens when you're getting 1,000 or 100,000? Like, all of a sudden, we're talking about really, truly rate limiting numbers. And that's especially true because when you have smaller traffic counts, they tend to be either top of the funnel or bottom of the funnel. There's there's this really weird hourglass to it. There's not the same structure that you'd expect, because you're not getting enough traffic to justify one or the other. If they'd finally gotten to your website, they've probably gotten there from your funnel elsewhere or a funnel elsewhere. So eliminate friction points, walk through your website, make sure that it's actually convertible, so you don't lose out on the opportunity to convert a customer. That's all I got. I'm going to see you tomorrow. Wait, before you go, I'm constantly looking for amazing people to come join our team. So if you're passionate about Google Ads and you're passionate about customer success, please go to solate.com/apply, and we'd love to see you as a part of the Solutions 8 team. Also, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. It lets the YouTube algorithm know that we actually know what we're doing. And don't forget to subscribe. We shoot a video every single day, and I don't want you to miss out on any of it. Lastly, if you have questions, comments, concerns, confessions, or you just hate my face and my voice, go ahead and hit us up in the comments. We get very little human interaction, and even the heckling is something that I kind of get a kick out of. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being subscribers if you're a subscriber. Don't forget to apply if you're interested in working at Solutions 8. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow.